If you are just like me who enjoy cycling and gaming at the same time, follow Pinas Documented. I love cycling, gaming, and photography. And videography na rin mga idol. And naglalaro ang PUBG. Kung gusto mong makakita ng content, reviews ng gadgets, camera, gaming, PC, and bikes, don't forget to follow. Ito nga pala mga idol yung aking smart indoor trainer, Think Rider. And we're playing My Whoosh. Yan. Kakatapos ko lang mag-interval, cool down na to. May-maintain lang tayong 84 watts. Taas pa din ng heart rate pa. And nag-interval tayo ng 80 watts, 150 watts, 80 watts, 150 watts. Yan, ulit-ulit ko lang. 15 minutes. Tapos may pahinga lang na 5 minutes. Tunay na tao yan mga idol. Woo! Don't forget to follow.